Hey everybody, Darren here from Texas Small Town Rides. Today I was out making some film with my boy Jimmy, who's now our boy Jimmy, and I put the bike into a corner and she just slid right through. Gonna show you all 4 camera angles. We're gonna see what y'all have to say.
Oh.
How's my back?
It's not bleeding.
Is it scraped up pretty bad?
It's not bleeding. It's scraped, but it's not bleeding. Your clothes aren't even torn.
Huh?
Your clothes aren't even torn. Let's get this up.
All right, so I came into the corner a little hot, started dragging the right hand floorboard, kept leaning into it, trying to come out of the apex, and as you can see, that did not work. So I'm not sure if you can see it real well. I came in pretty hot and hard here, and my floorboards hit, started skipping. There's one, skipped up. There's 2, skipped up, kept going. You can see the white streaks is me and my bike sliding. Until we stopped right here.
Ready?
Yeah, we in, all right. You ready?
Yeah. Well, let me make sure that the kickstand's down so it doesn't fall over the other way.
You good?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Hold on, it's gonna go over. Just pull it back towards you, son. I got it in neutral. Whoa. Well, let me get over. You ready? Can you get backwards? Whoa, Jimmy.
Hold it, I'll push to the front.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah.
Is it in gear?
I got it. I got the clutch in. I got the clutch in, Jim.
I know, but
There, that's neutral.
okay.
Hold on, Jim. Hold it. I'm gonna try and get over my leg here. Why don't you swing your leg over?
Well, there you see it. Can't change what happened. Bike's gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. We're gonna get back out there filming soon. Look forward to seeing your comments. Look forward to hearing what you have to say about what happened. Sometimes you just make mistakes and sometimes the road just gets you. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but I'm sure other people are gonna be fairly certain. So please, let me know. And if you enjoyed the video, which is kind of gruesome if you do, but hey, like and subscribe.